catch it as it comes through.
Okay. What are we doing this for?
The back window of the dirt farmer.
Okay.
Right? It's a piece of optic armor that's pre-tinted.
Ooh, is that like limo?
Yep.
Is that limo?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think I know my job. Now, it's a little flimsy, so does something need to be in the middle there? Okay. Yep.
All right, hang on.
Okay.
I can already tell there's going to be problems. You hold that.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm doing this right.
There you should.
Thank you. Thank you. No. It wasn't. You didn't hear nothing.
Don't scratch it.
Yep.
All right, we're going to rock this thing, Asian.
I can't rock it on.
Yep.
Is that the one you need?
Yep.
Good job, Asian.
I did it.
That's gonna go up there like that.
Okay. All right, we're gonna put the fat finishing bolts in, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. I'm actually curious how you get the angle.
Tighten that black knob right there.
What we got?
Tighten the shit out of that.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, that's how you get the angle. What's that tool called?
That's the swingle. Something like that. Right?
Yeah. This is like the home and garden show.
That's our next show.
I know it's not.
HGTV.
Don't say that.
F&A HGTV. Hell, this was my past life, Asian. Carpentry extraordinaire. I did some puppetry.
Oh.
Did some carpentry. You want to cut that?
No.
Bring that over there, over on the table saw, and get it in a good position where you can cut.
I've got the piece of thing in place, Pom-Pom.
All right, now, the first rule when you're cutting in carpentry is always leave the line. Okay? You want to leave that line and cut that
you want to
right
leave
along
the
there.
line?
Leave the line.
Oh, these are bifocals.
Yeah, they are. You like that?
I thought they were just dirty. Turn up all the way, bro. What?
Keep going. Commit. You got to commit. That was straight.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So you're using the cutoff piece that I cut off.
Now, you see, I traced this out right here with the drop off, and I traced it out right here, right? So we can get a precise measurement on the next cut, right?
You got that?
He's got to do it twice. So you're leaving how much of an overlap?
I'm just dividing it here,
Okay.
just eyeballing it.
Okay.
And we're just going to bolt this right on to here instead of
Sliding it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Asian. So right there, you see that? We need to get that right on there. Yeah,
You got it.
all right. And that is going to be 59 and a half, right? 59 and a half.
Yep.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah. And then
Ooh.
all right, Asian. There you go. You can cut that sucker right off. that you leave the line on the good side, not the bad side.
Oh,
But that every carpenter's got to learn that.
I got you.
Right?
Yeah, I left the line.
Right. Black lines matter. Then, let's see. No, what happened?
It's too short.
It's perfect.
Oh,
What'd you do?
I cut it perfect, sir.
All right, dude. All we gotta do is drill some holes in this now, and we'll be all right.
You can pre-drill holes?
Yeah.
All right, so when Farmtruck's he's gonna go ahead and pre-drill some holes, and then we're basically gonna take the plastic off, and bolt it up.
The last one shattered.
Okay.
And glass went everywhere.
Right.
And since this is Optic Armor, it ain't gonna be shattered this time.
There we go. So by the time you come back, we'll have it buttoned up, and we'll have completed the rear camper glass for the Enduro truck.
And after that, we're gonna take it for a cruise.
No, we're not.
Oh my goodness.
This is when the magic happens. You see that beautiful Optic Armor?
Woo! I can see you without looking at you.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Just like that.
Woo!
Zoom. Zoom.
We're just gonna trust that all of Asian's cuts are perfect, and they are.
Yeah, right.
Let me get a couple tacks in this baby.
What do you need?
Give me the weapon over there, not the drill, but the impact. The one I was using. Yeah. All right. This portion of this video is brought to you by the yellow guys. Not allowed to say it.
Yeah, but they're there.
I'll say anything I want.
Okay.
It's DeWalt.
Okay, there you go. Oh, are you pre-drilling this or just sending it?
We're gonna send it.
Okay.
And I guessed on the length of the screws. So, let me just.
First. Yeah, that looks
what
good.
happened?
Oh, it's perfect.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna work out fine.
All right, we'll get this all bolted up, and then she'll be ready for prom.